Hi guys, here we are at Hykeham level crossing in Lincolnshire with Shane.
This will be hard. We got a storm brewing still for the last like half hour.
Over there. Now time for your 16:13.
It's Midlands 73 East Meds train service to Lincoln Central.
Central.
First thing to switch to night mode now. These alarms always do it. It's rather put here. Here's a sex.
Here's
a sex.
Yeah, a 6.
A sex.
Not a 6. I guessed 410.
I guess I don't care. It's
4. Well, of course it's 4. It's a Mark.
I think it is.
It's a 156 Mark 4, so of course it's 4. Unless it's 404. 156 401.
It's hard to tell.
It's 401. That destination board needs some work done. That's going to stop way down the end of the platform.
156 401 this side.
156 401 to Lincoln.
Get in place.
And there it goes. And